I have Botox because as I've got older, I've noticed that the lines on my face, my expression lines, have become more prominent and they don't sort of go away as readily as they used to when I was younger. So I have Botox really for that. And I also have Botox because it improves my self-confidence. Every time I have the treatment, I feel great, I feel good about myself, and it makes me happy.
Courthouse clinics provide the high standard of care by ensuring that you have a doctor that sees you when you come in, initial consultation, and administers the Botox.
I go to Courthouse clinics because I have the utmost confidence in the doctors there. I love the treatments they give me. I love the very natural look they give me when I go for a treatment. I have been to other places for Botox and the results have never been anywhere near as good. When I first had Botox, I was a little nervous, but it was so quick and easy and completely painless that soon faded away.
Now, we always like to err on the side of caution, and maybe we undertreat slightly on the first occasion, and you come back a couple of weeks later to see the same doctor, and then the doctor will then maybe give a top-up, which will be included in the cost. And then when you come back in future occasions, we know exactly the dose to administer.
Botox for me is completely painless. I literally just have the treatment and then I go straight back to my normal life, work, play, whatever. There's no downtime at all.
The best results from Botox are in the forehead, and around the eyes, and in the neck. Other treatments are better for the lower part of the face.
My friends and family are very supportive of me having Botox, and now I'm in my 40s. People often tell me I look really good for my age, which is very nice, and they ask me what my secret is, so I tell a lot of people and recommend a lot of people to have Botox.
You can be assured that Courthouse clinics will be with you every step of the way. From the moment that you walk through the door and have that initial consultation to any time after the treatment, we'll be available to answer your questions and queries.